Guys, welcome back to the channel of JNC Collects, and today we're going to be battling out with these tins. I got here the Moltres.
And I went with the Articuno.
Let's battle them out.
So each pack came with 5 Crown Zenith packs, so we're going to be opening those up together, see what we get, but good or bad, I do like the full arts that they came with. So we came by these luckily at one of the card shops locally called Charm City here in Baltimore. Amazing selection there. Definitely have to check them out in there if you're in the area. Definitely appreciate you guys coming back, and let's get to it. All right, baby, you got yours? Where's your cards?
These are mine.
Oh, where's mine? Oh, mine are right here. All right, you go first.
Me? Okay.
Here we go.
Executor. Young Goose. Very nice.
Okay, so it looks like they are...
Yeah.
All right, we gotta flip them.
Yep.
Right, now we know.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. So we got all Crown Zeniths, total of 10 packs. Hopefully we get something. We did a couple of pulls in the car on the way home, a couple of rips, no luck. But it is what it is. All right.
Wow.
All right.
Good luck. May the force be with you.
Trekking shoes. Let's
That's
go.
what we're gonna need soon. It is cold.
For real.
It's getting ready to start snowing soon. If you're in the northern hemisphere.
So good. Okay, so nothing on that. Nice, but that gloom looks how we feel.
I think this is more me coughing.
Coughing.
That's me. All right,
Yeah.
Bidoof.
Oh, shit.
Thibault? Nice.
That is a beautiful card.
I love it.
Even though we feel like this.
Yeah. No, but that's like the scissor.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's the same artist, illustrator.
Yeah, that is a beautiful card.
Heck
wow,
yeah.
babe. Way to come out the gate swinging.
Moltres.
All right. Moltres. Articuno's better.
Woo.
I don't think I did it right. Oh well,
It's okay.
We're gonna
It's
rock
okay.
with it.
Regardless, nothing changes.
Oh,
Ooh, nice shiny.
full shiny.
That's beautiful.
That is a beautiful card. Okay.
All right.
And of course another V-Star card. All right, so that's something. I'm gonna put that. Hey, something. You know what? I'll take what I can get. With her luck, let's see what she pulls.
Let's go. I see
Here
something
we go.
pretty. There's
See,
something.
back to back with her.
I'm telling you,
every time.
there's something. There, I knew it. I saw it. I felt it. I knew it. I knew this Moltres Tin was it. I knew it.
Even when she's feeling down, she's never out. Good Lord, this woman. See? Alright, come on. I gotta be better than an energy.
For real. Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Graveler. Digging Duo.
That's us. Come on.
I love this. And still nothing for me. Getting love sick. Sheesh. Well, definitely get the Moltres Tin, apparently. Got 2 packs to make it up.
Great Ball. Grubbin. Energy Search, Oddish.
Okay, she got a full art one one too.
Nice. Oh.
Or a full hollow energy.
Oh, wait. That goes on my
Yeah,
side.
I was gonna say, I'll take it.
That goes on my side.
Rare candies. Pinkerchin. Pokemon Catcher. Rockruff. Snowrot. Come on. Give me something good.
Wow. Okay,
Right.
Pikachu.
We're racking up the energies, I'll tell you that. Sheesh.
Alright, let's go. Rare candies, Azazel, Pokemon Catcher, Coughing, Sunkern, Mr. Mime, Potion, Bidoof. Whoa!
That's nice.
Radiant Charbug.
That's beautiful.
Wow. I like that a lot.
That is
Cool.
really nice.
That was my final pack, guys. So far, the Moltres box or tin has been killing it.
Alright, only way I can come back from this is with a crazy pull on this one. Come on. Let's make up some ground. No, okay. Thought for a second. Strike. Like those ones.
Mm-hmm. I feel like we have all of the evolutions of that one now in Rapid Strike.
Yeah.
I think.
Here we go. I see something good.
Come
I
on.
see something good. Oh, it's the same one. Even when I get something good, it's the same thing as her.
Copycat. Hey, that's cool.
Alright, so I'm guessing that's not as rare as we thought it was.
Yeah.
We got it in 2 packs.
True, but it is the same series, so
Yeah. Well, not too bad.
Not bad at all. We got these tins on
didn't have
sale, so it was fun to battle them out.
Yeah.
It was pretty even for the most part. I mean, you did get 2 energies.
I actually kind of like the hollowed energies. They're pretty cool. I mean, not the greatest pull, but something I'll definitely take.
Yeah.
So
I would say get it. It's fun to open. Why not? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
thank you. Appreciate it.